It's up, boys. This is going to be a trade recap for 13th of May 2026. Ah, here we go. Here we go. All right. So let me just go ahead and then drop it off so that I wish I could fucking show the executions, but I don't think so. It'll be there. Anyways, if it's there, it's good. No, it's gone. It's gone, bro. Fuck. All right. I'm gonna just go ahead and then boom, there we go. So this is all bullshit. Like I didn't even take this trade, by the way. So I'm just looking at price action, right? What is exactly do what is the price exactly doing, right? Like, when I go to the 15-minute time frame, price is being price is dropping from London high. I mean London open is really a manipulation and then it come back down. We got a break of structure, fair value gaps being respected. Bearish shines all over, right? Like what is the next target that we can actually achieve or attain to or whatever it is? Uh Here is the reason. Like once we got multiple break, multiple inversions, right? We got one inversion right here. We got a break of structure. We got another inversion right here. Another inversion right here. Another inversion. So we could basically going down. We got another inversion before market open, and then everything was going down, right? Like, okay, that is the main reason why I wanted to go bearish, and I had a proper setup. I would have been bullish once after seeing this rejection, or this is an SMT or something. I would have probably went for a buy entry because that looks more convincing because we are in a bullish trend. So going with the trend is the best option that we can get. So that's what I was trying to go. That's what I was looking for buy entries, but selling seemed more obvious because we're rejecting off this 15-minute gap and we are inversing a 15-minute gap. So which basically tells us that the price is still going to go down. So let's get jump back into the 1 minute time frame. That's where the magic happens. So I was looking at the price. Okay, the first probably 10 minutes, I didn't take any entry. I exactly had my limit right there. So everything seemed a little bit more convincing to me after seeing this inversion market open dumps. We got a break of structure right there, another break of structure right there. If the price would have closed above something like this and then another a bullish candle would have formed up, I would have probably not taken this trade because that's a sweep and price most likely would go up because all-time highs is all there. Everything is perfectly aligned up with the buy entry. If the price would have, if this 1037 candle would have closed bullish. So, what made me so confident on this trade is because I got two fair value gaps. A first breakup structure fair value gap being untouched, and the second breakup structure fair value gap is should be retested. So price should come back up and then come back down lower. We got Asian lows right there. For the reason for me to target that particular area is because exactly right there. We got the body of the candle, and exactly price came back down all the way to the body of the candle and then sweep. Not even sweep exactly, but yeah, you get the idea, right? Like I just ticked away with my take profit. So it was a pretty nice, awesome trade, and I had my limit order right exactly in the at the consequent encroachment of this 1 minute fair value gap and basically got triggered in and I thought like once I saw this inversion, okay, let's just wait a little bit more. We can keep the stop loss at third candle high. So this three candle, right, this is a fair value gap, right? This makes what makes this fair value gap is that we have the first candle, the second one, and the third one, right? So these three makes this fair value gap being valid. So I wanted to see a sweep above or a candle close above this third candle would make me go for selling and buy entry, or like probably this trade would not play out anymore if the price really wants to come back up all the way to that high. I'm not even this one. I'm not even talking about this. If the price really do that, and price most likely going to continue going up, so that's the idea of it. So I was just basically waiting for the price, and it came back in, and I was expecting a rejection off immediately after seeing this, and yeah, basically closed about the 1 minute fair value gap, and I was like, okay, let's just take it slow. If this was a loss, I'm gonna close it anyways, right? So I just had four contracts on this trade. Basically, one is to one, two contracts off, and the rest two contracts to my final draw liquidity. So which is awesome. Like we got 162 points today, almost 162 points on this. Probably if this was a 10 contract trade, it would have been much better, honestly speaking. And yeah, I mean, I'm not even gonna say anything. After seeing this inversion right here, I thought, okay, the price is really gonna go lower. The price action is really gonna be lower, and I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna hold this trade. I didn't even look at the price for like a bit. I mean, it's okay. It's okay that yeah, I was happy. I was happy. I was happy that my trade played out, and the moment I hit my takeoff, it started reversing, and boom, I would have gotten messed up if my trade didn't close this at this low right here. That's a clean one is to retrade. Yeah, I'm basically happy. So yep, currently this is where I'm sitting at. With only 2 days of trading, I could make this just using 2 to 4 contracts, and that to one partial at the break. I mean, one contract off at 1:1, and the rest of them to the final draw liquidity that I have for the particular trade. So that's about the trade recap, boys. And as always, as always, believe in yourself, believe in God. Anything is possible. So just keep going. And that's about it. Holy shit. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. All right, man. Adios.